Today we're going to show you how to root dragon fruit cuttings. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might be during vacation season. If you're watching it now, let me know in the comments when your last vacation was. So let's get into it. Here's how we transplant dragon fruit. As you can see, we've got 2 rooted cuttings from Pitaya branches. We peeled the outer skin of the stem to expose the inner core, kind of like a tube. Then, we placed it in water, making sure the green part never touches the water. That's super important. From that exposed core, roots began to grow. In just 7 to 10 days, we got this result. It's an incredibly fast and reliable way to root dragon fruit. Both of our cuttings rooted really well using this method. Now we're going to plant them in sandy soil. This won't be their final spot, but it's perfect for strengthening the root system first. The sand has nutrients, so the plant will keep growing strong roots here before we move it to a bigger area. Dragon fruit plants need plenty of space. So this temporary pot isn't ideal for long-term growth. Keep that in mind when starting your own planting. This variety you're seeing here is called American Beauty. We're working with 2 different types today, American Beauty and Purple Haze. I think that's how it's pronounced, feel free to correct me in the comments. Now that this one's planted, we'll water it thoroughly. And it's ready to go. For the next cutting, we'll do exactly the same. Support it with a stake, dig a space in the soil. Place the plant gently, covering the roots. This one didn't root as much as the first one. Could be the variety or just how it grew, but both rooted within 7 to 10 days. Honestly, I don't remember exactly when we started, but it hasn't been more than 10 days. In the next round of cuttings, I'll record a full tutorial on how to make that little tube section on the stem. But as you can see, it's super simple. If you look closely, it's already marked on the stem, so just peel the outer layer around that guide. You're basically removing the outer skin along the 3 ridges of the cactus, and you're left with the inner tube. Very easy. Now we water both plants generously. A solid first watering is always important after transplanting. These plants don't need a lot of water. Twice a week is usually enough. But again, good hydration right after transplanting is key. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.